In Surah Al-Qasas, in the story of Musa alayhi salam, when Shu'aib offered to marry him one of his daughters, he also made a business proposal to him. This is very important when we deal with one another, that we benefit from many of the lessons that are in this verse. First of all, he made it very clear to him he didn't want to make things difficult for him. وَمَا أُرِيدُ أَنْ أَشُقَّ عَلَيْكَ. I don't want to make things difficult for you. He offered him an 8-year contract or a 10-year contract, whatever easiest for you. And this is a valuable lesson that we need to really reflect on if we have workers, or we're the mudir, we're the manager of a company, that we don't make it difficult for our employees. We make it easy for them. What's important is that they do their job correctly and they get it done. The Prophet ﷺ, he made dua. He said, Rahim Allah, may Allah have mercy upon the one who's lenient when he buys. He's lenient when he sells. He's lenient when he asks for his money back, if he gave someone a loan. Also, from the lessons that we gain from this is the impact that good intentions and being honest have when we deal with one another in our transactions. And when you look at the end of the verse, when he said, "Satajiduni insha'Allahu min as-salihin," that you will find me, inshallah, being from the salihin, being from the pious. I mean, I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to cheat you. I'm not going to shorten this or that. I'm going to do things properly, and I'm going to be pious. I'm going to fear Allah in how I deal with you. And the Prophet ﷺ, he said in a hadith that when the two people are buying and selling with one another, إِذَا صَدَقَ وَبَيِّنَ, if they're truthful and they show the reality of their product, is it good, does it have any faults, they're honest, he said, بُورِكَ لَهُمَا فِي بَيْعِهِمَا, that there will be barakah, blessing put in their transaction. But if they hide and they cheat and stuff like this, then what's going to happen, as he said in the hadith, alayhi salatu wassalam, that the barakah, the blessings will be taken out of the transaction. Also, one of the benefits that we gain is the clarity in our agreements, that we are clear with one another. This is what I want, this is what I expect. And if we follow these teachings, we're going to find barakah and blessings in all of our transactions and all of our business that we do with one another, inshallah ta'ala.